How to fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox in 2024. The first thing that we want to do is we want to open up our computer search. Here we want to type run, open up this system application and type this out, %, local app data. So %, local app data, %. And then we're going to click on OK. Now here what we're going to do is I'm going to click on any folder and I'll begin typing Roblox. And we want to find the Roblox folder. Now after we have located the folder, we'll right click and then we want to delete this Roblox folder. This folder will basically contain cached images and data that is not needed for us, and it's automatically going to be recreated once we launch Roblox without the error. Now the next thing that we want to do is open up the computer search once more, search for Roblox, find the Roblox player, right click, open file location. Now right click on the Roblox player and again we want to click on open file location until we get the Roblox launcher. So Roblox player launcher, right click, go to properties, go to the compatibility tab and check these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. Repeat the same process here for your Roblox player beta as well. So compatibility this and this, and then this should fix your issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.